All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So outside of, not inside of something, but in front of it on the outside. So it is outside of my home. My car is parked outside of my home. I will wait for you outside of the gym. They will go outside of the office. Yeah. He is running outside of his house. Outside in the field, but outside of his house. Yeah. They waited outside of that building. Yeah. We walked and were outside of the hotel soon. We were walking and soon we were just outside the hotel. How cool is that? Yeah. We ran outside of the building. We're in the building, then we ran outside of it. Yeah. He is running outside of the gym. So I spend a lot of time running outside of the gym in a park. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Do you think he just runs outside of his house? Yeah, maybe he might have just ran outside. Yeah. They wanted to be outside of the building office and spend more time outside in nature. Outside of the office. Outside of it. How cool is that? So, can you use outside in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.